for today's video, I will be sharing you my skincare routine. So, pinagsama ko na lang yung day and night skincare routine ko. Because, hindi naman ganun kadaming steps yung ginagawa ko every single routine. And also, hindi, iba pa to sa ginagawa ko. Like, kunwari, pumper night, ganyan. I will make a separate video for that. So yun guys, baka magtaka kayo. What I did is I filmed the night before and the day after. So yun, kaya nauna yung nighttime skincare routine para dun makita niyo yung effect ng mga ginagamit. And also, the products that I used and their prices will be down in the description box, so feel free to check them out. And also guys, I am doing this video because I wanted to share you my skincare routine kasi a lot of people is complimenting my skin, like I have clear skin, ganyan. So I'm very flattered sa mga natatanggap kong comments na ganun, because honestly for me hindi naman siya ganun ka clear skin kasi I get breakouts as well. But you know also my skin type is normal to combination. I get oily dito sa aking T-zone, ayan, lalo na sa nose part. And also, dry sometimes sa may, saan ba ka naging dry? Like, dull, hindi siya dry. Parang dull lang siyang tingnan. So, for me, my skin is really not that clear, not that glass skin. But, ayan, I love my skin though. We should all love our skin, and if you wanna make it better, make it better. Ayan, so know your skin type as well. So yun, just to put it out there. So yeah guys, if you wanna see my skincare routine, please keep on watching. Cleanser, I am using the Neutrogena Deep Clean Brightening Foaming Cleanser, and it is 219 pesos. And what I love about this product is meron siyang instant brightening effect sa face mo after mo siyang gamitin, and hindi siya nakakasipsip ng moisture sa face. Hindi siya yung parang tipong, alam mo yun, may mga cleansers na pagkatapos mong gamitin parang mapupunit yung mukha mo, parang super dry na sa face. Itong cleanser na to is hindi siya ganun. Meron siyang instant brightening and hindi siya drying sa skin. For my toner at night, I am using the Klairs Supple Preparation Facial Toner. So what I love about this product is super bilis niyang ma-absorb sa face ko. As in, ang bilis niyang ma-absorb, parang kakalagay mo lang. Kasi I just use my hands with this. I don't use cotton pads. A lot of people love this toner, but for me, I don't see the magic of it. If you're gonna ask me if I'm gonna repurchase, I think hindi na, kasi I'm just gonna switch to the Klairs one that I've tried before. For my moisturizer, I use 2 moisturizers at night, and I am using the Celeteque Dermoscience Suncare Facial Moisturizer with SPF 15. So I love this product, and I have been using this for a few years, I think 1-2 years na, because this product is my holy grail. Dahil 2-in-1 na siya for me, meron na siyang sun protection, SPF, and meron na rin siyang and moisturizer mo na rin siya. So it's like 2-in-1 nga. That's what I love about this product. And also, kapag ginagamit ko to, and kapag na-absorb na siya ng skin ko, it gives my skin a really healthy glow and hindi siya malagkit. Not like every other sunscreen or moisturizer na may SPF, hindi siya malagkit. That's what I love about that. And also, it absorbs really fast. Like, hindi naman siguro seconds, pero siguro mga 2 minutes absorb na siya ang face mo. Lalo na kung nakatapat ka sa aircon. And also, this is very accessible. Like, it's everywhere as well. And then I also use another moisturizer, which is a sleeping mask. I use a sleeping mask, which is the fresh Skinlab Jeju Aloe Ice. So, at first, I don't get the hype because I'm just like really a fan of the Nature's Republic one. Yung aloe vera, something nila. Yun yung favorite ko talaga and magre-repurchase ako nun. Nung naubusan ako nun, naisip ko, bumili na lang ng Jeju Aloe Ice. And I'm very happy that I did buy and I did try it. Kasi ang ganda ng effect niya sa skin ko. It gives my skin a healthy glow as well. I think that it really helps me with having glowing skin. Especially after it absorbs. And then, depende sa kung gano'n ka thin or kung gano'n ka thick na layer yung ilalagay niyo sa face niyo. What I do is, I just put a generous amount sa face ko and then tumatapat ako sa aircon talaga. Kasi malagkit siya kapag hindi siya natuyo ng maayos. So, yeah. Also, the price of this is 199 pesos. And it's very accessible din as well. Sa mga Watsons, meron nito. And sa online din, I guess. So, yeah. And then for my discolorations, I use the Human Nature 100% Natural Sunflower Beauty Oil, 100% no harmful chemicals. So 1.7 ounce yung meron ako and it's 110 pesos according sa na-search ko. And then kung tatanungin niyo ako kung mag-repurchase ako, definitely yes. And yung malaki na yung bibilihin ko. I will have a separate video for this one. And also, para sa, I will also have a separate video for the Cebo de Macho because it really helps with my scars. And then, on to the last step of my nighttime skincare routine. I use a mist. And it is from Badescu. This is my favorite out of all. Kung makikita niyo naman, paubos na siya. And if you're gonna ask me kung magre-repurchase ako, definitely yes then. And specifically sa variant na to, the variant is the facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. I think 8 ounce na yung gusto kong bilhin nito kasi super relaxing niya, lalo na sa gabi. Ang bango. I think I'm addicted to lavender scents, lavender essential oils. And by the way, I searched on Sephora. Yung set nakita ko, it's 1,305 pesos. So I think okay na rin siya if you like to try the Badescu. And then, it does not take a lot of time to absorb as well. Like, siguro mga ilang minutes lang din. And also, I use Lucas Papaw Ointment for my really dry lips. Ngayon, nasa Watsons na siya, which is what I love. And also, what I love about this product is it really helps with my dry lips. Kasi I have really dry lips. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Umiinom naman ako ng tubig. Pero ang dry ng lips ko, as in, literal, nagda-dry siya and nagka-crack. And ayun naman natin yun. So, I use this the night before. And paggising ko, ang soft ng lips ko. And, I mean, really plump lips, which is what I love. skincare routine. And my morning cleanser is the Celeteque Dermoscience Hydration Facial Wash. At morning, I prefer using mild cleansers lang kasi syempre hindi naman nabibuild up yung dirt sa ating face while we sleep. And yung meron na kasi yung pump, yung may pump na, and it's for 320 pesos. And for me, it's worth it kasi ang tagal ko rin, konti lang yung kailangan mo and hindi siya ganun ka-foamy pala guys, which is what I want kapag morning lang naman. And accessible din yung product na to. And the effect of this product is like, yun lang, cleanser lang siya. What a cleanser must do, which is remove yung oiliness sa face mo kapag gumising ka, natatanggal niya, which I love. And hindi din siya drying. And for my toner, I am using the Miniso Leave Your Skin Hydrated Smooth and Soft. Bigay lang po sa akin ng sister ko, and at first, ayoko siyang gamitin kasi nga, hindi naman ako gumagamit ng mga ganito, and may alcohol pa siya. But then, nasayangan ako, so ginamit ko siya, and fortunately, hindi naman ako nag-break out, and hindi naman siya mahapdi sa skin. So, kung magre-recommend man ako, hindi yon kasi hindi ko din alam kung magkano yun. Ang re-recommend ko yung Celeteque Hydration na toner, alcohol-free toner. What I look for my skincare products is alcohol-free. And, ayun, alcohol-free yun. And then, nung nag-skincare ako, dun ako nagsimula sa Celeteque line. So, that's very much recommended by me. And, yeah. And then, itong toner na to, it just helps with toning my skin. As you can see, paubos na rin siya and hindi ako magre-repurchase. Then, for my moisturizer, I use again the Celeteque Dermoscience one. And then, for my mist, I use a different variant ng Badescu. The facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Ito naman, mabango din to. And it just refreshes me at the morning kapag ginagamit ko siya. Bango-bango lang. I set it also with powder, any powder. Because, wala lang, para lang maset yung lahat ng nilagay ko sa face ko after nila ma-absorb. Guys, that is it for this video. I hope you like this video. I must say na ang pagbibuild ng skincare is really trial and errors. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you do like this video because I love watching this type of videos. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to see more of this face and more contents like this. Also follow me on my socials, actually Instagram account, which will be down below, and also comment down below, please comment down below any video suggestions that you want to see on my channel. And yup, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next videos. Bye.